Hi guys, welcome back to Loggery. How are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing great, all of you fine and safe. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे how to prepare for Army Institute of Law Mohali Law Entrance Exam 2022 and 2023. So if you are preparing for 2023 or 2022 exam, बिल्कुल ये वीडियो के अंदर I'm going to discuss syllabus. We are going to discuss सेक्शन वाइज हम सेक्शन वाइज टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करेंगे कि कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट है, हाउ टू स्टडी, बुक्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. सो यस, AIL मोहाली इज़ अ रियली गुड लॉ स्कूल. ठीक है, इसके अंदर जो मेजरली सीट्स हैं वो आर्मी पर्सनल के जो वार्ड्स हैं उनके लिए रिजर्व्ड हैं. ठीक है ना, बट ऑल इंडिया कैटेगरी के लिए भी कुछ सीट्स हैं, वो हम देखेंगे. एंड 2022 की जो नोटिफिकेशन है वो आ चुकी है. द नोटिफिकेशन इज आउट. आई हैव डन अ वीडियो ऑलरेडी. तो अगर आप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स भरना चाहते हैं, लिंक ऑफ द वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. डू चेक दैट आउट. इस वाली वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि आपको प्रिपेयर कैसे करना है, सिलेबस क्या है, बुक्स कौन सी है, हाउ टू study and everything. So let's get started with today's session. Yeah guys, welcome to Loggery. I hope you're subscribed to Loggery's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. We do pretty motivational stuff out there if you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Loggery, then do follow us on Instagram. So for 2022 the important dates, and अगर आप 2023 के एस्पिरेंट है तो आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि कब एग्जाम होता है. अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन प्रिपेयर. 25 जून 2022 को आपका एग्जाम है. 10th में लास्ट डेट है टू फिल द फॉर्म. 1 अप्रैल से आपकी एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई थी. ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, 12th के अंदर आपके 45% मार्क्स होने चाहिए. अब अगर आप अपने बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स 12th के बोर्ड एग्जाम्स 2022 में हो जाएंगे तो आप बिल्कुल ये एग्जाम 2022 के अंदर ही दे सकते हैं. टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीट्स इस इंस्टीट्यूट में है 100, जिसमें से 75 वार्ड्स ऑफ आर्मी पर्सनल के लिए रिजर्व्ड है. 20 सीट्स पंजाब रेजिडेंट सिविल कैटेगरी के लिए. आई वांट टू टेल यू कि इनके लिए एग्जाम होता है वार्ड्स ऑफ आर्मी पर्सनल के लिए. पंजाब रेजिडेंट के लिए नो एग्जाम. इनकी जो एडमिशन्स हैं वो GNDU की सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन होती हैं. पंजाब में जितने कॉलेजेस हैं उनके लिए उसके थ्रू होता है. तो पंजाब वालों को कोई एग्जाम देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑल इंडिया कैटेगरी के लिए भी एग्जाम होता है. आपके लिए 5 सीट रिजर्व्ड है. अब क्या आपको ये एग्जाम देना चाहिए या नहीं अगर आप ऑल इंडिया कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करते हैं? देखिए, अगर आप एक वार्ड्स ऑफ आर्मी पर्सनल है तब तो फॉर श्योर यू शुड गिव द एग्जाम. क्लैट में एडमिशन होता है, AILET में एडमिशन होता है तो बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब NLU दिल्ली में होता है तो बहुत बढ़िया है. तो दिस इज द लॉ स्कूल दैट यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर. सो इफ यू बिलोंग टू आर्मी कैटेगरी, प्लीज do give this exam. Number one. Number two, if you belong to all India category, please go through the syllabus that we are going to go through in this video and then decide for yourself how are you in different subjects. Are you good? अगर आपको लगता है कि yes you will be able to clear the exam, then go ahead and give the exam, because this actually is a good law school. It has good placements, it has a good faculty, a good law school. Thumbs up from my side. Yes, you can go for this law school. Centers for online entrance test, you can pause the video and check it for yourself. The fees, now it is very important to check out the fees. For army category it is 2,68,245 245. For civil category, matlab all India category, 3,14,780 rupees. I think this is the annual fees. Yes, this is the annual charges. साल में एक बार आप fees भरोगे. Okay. Modalities of entrance test. Now about the exam basically, so let's have a look. Now the entrance test will consist of a paper with 4 sections, 2 hours duration. So हमें 2 घंटे दिए जाएंगे, 2 hours. Mental ability is 50 marks. General knowledge, current affairs 50 questions, 50 marks. Law aptitude is 50 questions, 50 marks. General English 50 questions, 50 marks. Mental ability has your logical as well as math. So syllabus is what used to be of the क्लैट बिफोर 2020 का जो पुराना क्लैट है वैसा सा इसका पैटर्न है. देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग विच इज अगेन अ गुड थिंग. द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द एग्जाम इज इंग्लिश. ओके, general English, you have to prepare your reading comprehension, grammar, articles, determiners, prepositions. You also have to prepare your subject verb agreement and tenses. For subject verb agreement and tenses also you need to prepare, synonyms, antonyms, then you have your one word substitution, sentence completion, spotting errors, spelling check, idioms. Now let's see how you have to cover everything. For reading comprehension, you can either, now for English you have two choices. Either you need to buy this book, Universals. Please note down the name, Universals Guide for CLAT and other law entrance exam. For CLAT and other law entrance exams, right? You have to buy this book. Fine. Now, if you're good with English, you just need to revise some things and you just need to practice, you can go for Universal's book. But if you want to be thorough when it comes to English, then you can buy this book, either SP Bakshi, Arihant's SP Bakshi, or Objective English by RS Agarwal. Any one book is enough, right? Now, what you have to do is you have to practice reading comprehensions, right? If you're not good with reading comprehensions, then I have shared a PDF on my website, www.loggery.com. You can study a bit from there, study the theory from there, and then you can, practice from either Universals or SP Bakshi or RS Agarwal. Thereafter, for grammar, articles, determiners, prepositions, subject verb agreement, tenses, you can do from SP Bakshi, right? Or if you have any other book, your school book, which covers these topics, you can do from there and practice from Universals. Synonym, antonyms, these are list based topics. Now you have to learn some lists. Again, one word substitution is list based. Spelling check, idioms, list based. So you have to learn lists. You can either learn the list from my website, www.loggery.com, or you can start with your universals, or you can start with SP Bakshi or RS Agarwal. Now, if you have to learn synonym, antonyms, and everything, you need to give 30 minutes to 40 minutes every day, wherein you start learning the lists. Okay, and then sentence completion and spotting errors are grammar based. So once you're done with your grammar, you can you can attempt questions, you can practice questions again from Universals, SP Bakshi or RS Agarwal, whichever book you're going for. These are the topics that you have to cover for your Army Institute of Law. The level of English is good, so you need to be well prepared when it comes to English. टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉ एप्टीट्यूड या फिर लीगल एप्टीट्यूड भी कहते हैं इसको. अगर आप बुक खरीदने जाएंगे तो लीगल एप्टीट्यूड बोलेंगे तो समझ में आएगा. लॉ एप्टीट्यूड इज ऑल अबाउट लॉ. लैंडमार्क जजमेंट्स जो हैं, जब आप इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ेंगे, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नाउ फॉर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन यू कैन बाय माय कोर्स. I have my course which is going to help you a lot. Link is in the description box. It is going to speed up your preparation, especially if you are a 2022 aspirant. If you are a 2023 aspirant, it is going to help you give a good start to your preparation. Okay, so Indian Constitution में बहुत सारी judgments मिलेंगे आपको, वो अच्छे से learn करनी है. Then I've done a video related to important landmark judgments. You can go through that video, make notes. That is going to help you. Right, so this is important. Thereafter, legal current affairs, I do monthly videos. We have monthly sessions, all are up on the channel. So 2022 aspirants, they have to cover 2021 plus 2022 news, and the 2023 aspirants have to cover 2022 plus 2021 legal current affairs. Now legal current affairs, you'll find them in the newspaper also, but if you want that they should be at one place, then I've done videos. Link can be found in the description box. Monthly videos I've done. Now you need to know about the amendments, the new acts, the bills, ordinance. Very important for for Army Institute of Law exam. Other current affairs related to law covered in the video. So my videos are going to work here. These are completely for free, so you don't need to pay. They are on YouTube. Legal terms and maxims you can cover from my website, www.loggery.com, and there if you type on, like if you click on study material, legal aptitude, you'll find 2 PDFs that you can download, print out, and you're good to go. Thereafter comes fact and principle based questions. For fact and principle based questions, now what are fact and principle based questions? If you're new, so fact is basically they are going to give you a situation wherein they are going to say that A was driving his car, he hit B, and then they are going to give you the definition of maybe compensation, that is what he needs to, how he needs to compensate what he has done, or maybe who is responsible, negligence, something of that sort. They're going to tell you about the law. So the principle is basically the law, and they're going to give you the options. You need to analyze and choose the correct option. I've done a video on how to solve legal reasoning questions. You can have a look. Okay, how to solve legal reasoning, type on YouTube Loggery at in the end, and You will find the video is really good video talking about basics of from where to cover basics of Indian Constitution, law of torts, law of contracts, IPR. Look, Indian Constitution, I have my own course, you can go for that. Otherwise, you can cover all of this from the book Universes that I had recommended for English. This is a compilation basically, and you can cover this from Universes, right? Landmark judgments from a video, as well as while you're studying Constitution and contracts and criminal law. Legal current affairs, my videos, legal terms, www.loggery.com, fact and principle type of questions from Universes, because 2022 students can do it from Universes, while 2023 students might go for Willy or AP Bharadwaj, okay, any of these books, okay. Talking about mental ability, so your mental ability is nothing but basically logical reasoning. The topics that you need to cover are, let's discuss about the topics and how you have to cover. So the topics that you have to cover are series completion, coding, decoding, blood relations, direction sense test, logical Venn diagrams, completion of series. So this is basically series. So from where to cover? Now you have to buy a book called Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. Which book you have to buy? Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. Okay, so you have to buy this book. Okay, we are good to go. Now this book is a really bulky book. You have to solve only the topics that I have told you, only the topics that I have told you. Okay, one extra topic if you want to cover to be on the safe side, you can do puzzle test. Okay, but these are the topics that are more important. Okay, only the topics, solve the examples, and when you come to the exercise, choose the method of pick and choose. Okay, whichever you find important, solve the questions. If they are same, leave them. This is for 2022 aspirants. If you're a 2023 aspirant, solve these topics in entirety, like from first question till the last, because you have the time, so use it. Okay, now your general knowledge can be divided into two. One is your static GK and the other is current affairs. One is your static GK and the other is your current affairs. Okay, now talking about current affairs first. So current affairs, your current events, national news, international news, defense related news is very important. Defense related news is of utmost important and you need to cover it properly, nicely. International organizations से related current news, ईयर कौन सा सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, वो क्या थीम है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेयर आर द हेडक्वार्टर्स, हु इज मीटिंग whom, what has happened, right? For example, recently BIMSTEC हुआ, right, in Colombo hosted it. You need to know everything about it. Now, how to cover your current affairs? International treaties, bilateral agreements. India and Australia signed one, India and UAE signed one. In the coming months, maybe India and UK also signed one. You need to know about it. These are important, right? Defense news is very important, since Army Law Institute it is. Now, how to cover your current affairs? So the duration for which you have to cover your current affairs from June 2021 till June 2022. Right, now talking about June 2021 till December 2021, or even talking about January 2022 till March or even April 2022, right? Now, for May and June, I would say that for May and June 2022, you will have to go for monthly current affairs editions. Now, monthly current affairs, you can study Pratyogita Darpan, you can go for IS Vision. Pratyogita Darpan is a good option, I think, for Army Institute of Law. So now here for January 2021 till December 2021, either you can buy the annual edition of Pratyogita Darpan or any other magazine, or you can go for the monthly editions. It is completely up to you, right? And for January 2021 till March 2022, you will have to go for monthly editions again. Now, should you read the newspaper? Look, reading the magazines is important. You will have to read the magazine. If you want to read the newspaper, you can start reading the Hindu. If you are not able to understand the Hindu, then I do the analysis. मैं analyze करती हूँ newspaper का हर रोज, and वहाँ पर मैं आपको सब कुछ explain कर देती हूँ. Examire is my channel. Examire पे we do daily the Hindu analysis, so you can follow that channel. Link is going to be in the description box, right? So you can read the Hindu, and if you want to know what is important in the newspaper, then I post important news on my Instagram handle, that is at I am Law Giri, right? I also want to tell you that if you want to talk to me directly, then you can buy a paid session with me, one-on-one paid session with me. And for the 2023 aspirants, we have mentorship sessions for 1 year, wherein from the beginning till the end, till the point you get admission in your college. I'll be your mentor. Now, for 2023 aspirants, you need to cover the 2022 as well as the 2023 news. Okay, try to start reading the newspaper from April only. And for you guys, Examire is a blessing because there I'm not only analyzing the newspaper every day, we also have weekly tests, monthly revisions. So it's a really good channel. Go and subscribe to the channel. For static GK, arts and literature, economics, international organizations is very important. History, geography, important monuments and facts related to them. Now, how to cover static GK? From universals only, you need to cover your static GK. Universals book is the one where you'll find these topics. You'll find MCQs. You need to learn these MCQs. Now, how to learn these MCQs? The question is how to learn. Now, take up 50 to 60 MCQs a day. 50 to 60 MCQs. Read, mark the answers from back. Mark the answers from back, right? And thereby start with the first one. Read the question. If you understand it and you don't really need to find any information related to it, move on to the next. But if you are not able to understand the next MCQ, then Google about the question, find out information related to the question, note down a bit of the information so that which helps you in learning, and you go to the next question. That is how you're going to learn. Now, a lot of people are going to tell you that go for Lucens or go for Pearson's. I'm not going to tell you that go for Lucens or Pearson's, because these are very bulky books. You won't be able to complete them, number one. Number two, you won't know what is important, therefore what to learn. You've not learned anything what you will mark in the exam. Thereby, I would say solving MCQs from universal for all these topics is the best way to cover static GK. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification on. If you have any queries, then comment down below. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Logiri signing off. I'll see you super soon. Bye and take care.